Good morning, all of you. Welcome, all of you. Today, we are going to start a new chapter that is known as algebraic expression, and here we have to do the factorization. Means today's chapter will be factorization of algebraic expression. For this, let's take like before you have studied in your previous class that how to factorize. You all know that what is a factor. So let's take that first. We will take any of the natural numbers. So any of the natural number means like first means what is natural number. Natural number. So you know that all counting numbers are known as all counting numbers are known as natural number. You all know that all counting numbers are known as natural numbers. So let's suppose with any of the example, take any of the example of natural number. So what you will get, it may be 12, it may be 13, it may be 19, it may be 1, any of the number. So let's suppose the number be uh, let's suppose the number be 12. If we factorize, what is the factor of 12? So factor of 12, I can write down this as it can be 3 into 4 also, it can be 6 into 2 also, or it can be 12 into 1 also. So this is the factor of 12. If I write 3 into 4, this will also be 12. If I write 6 into 2, this is also 12. If I write 12 into 1, this will also be 12. So what is the factor? A number which get multiplied by any other number to give a factor. Okay, so all of you know what is the factor. Now if it is an algebraic expression, so first method we are going to take for finding out this factor is that method of common factor. Before this, let's study about prime factor. Prime factor. As you have studied prime factorization, that is only the prime factor. Suppose what will be now on prime factorization, what will be the factor for 12? It will be like 12. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are, and 3 1s are. Okay, so the prime factors of 12 will be 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3. So this is only this method we are going to use in finding out the first exercise, that is exercise 6a. The first method we are going to use, that is method of taking out common factors. Like in HCF, what do? You take out the common factor and then you write out the answer. So the first question in exercise 6a, exercise 6a, the first question is factorize the following polynomial. Means here you have to factorize the polynomial. Okay, so the first question here you will get here as 3x minus 12. Okay, 3x minus 12. First write down the factors of 3x. So 3x can be written as 3 into x. Okay, and 12 can be written as, in prime factorization, how 12 will be written as, it can be written as 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so from both the terms, what is common here? So common here you can see is this 3. This 3 is common. Okay, so in the prime factorization method, on the first exercise we are going to use the method of common factors. Means here we are having 3 as common. So what we will write? Take out 3 as common. So what is left with it? If you multiply 3 common, if so, what will be left here in this polynomial? Here it will be left x What is remaining? X, and minus sign will be there. And again, what is remaining? 2 into 2 is 4. So what is the answer of 3x minus 12? That is 3 into x minus 4. Why? Because we have taken out the 3 as the common factor from here, and what is left? X, and from here 2 into 2 is minus 4. So this is the answer for the first question. Okay, now let's take the second one. What is the second one? That is 7x plus 14. Okay, now similarly here also you have to do the same things. Write down the factor of 7x. So 7x will be written as 7 into x, and 14 you can write down as 7 into 2, or 2 into 7 you can write down as 14. 7 into 2 is 14. Now what is common here? Take out the common terms from here. From here you can see what is common. 7 is common. So take out 7 common from here. So what is left here? If you have taken out 7 common, what will be left here? X will be left. Plus sign is there, then plus sign will be there. Again 14. So if you have taken out 7, what is left? 2. So the answer will be 7x plus 2. This is the answer. Isn't it easy? Now the third question here is, let's take other example at 8c square minus 24c. So what will be the factor of 8c square? So if you take out for the factor of 8c square, what you will get? From both the factors you have to take out now. So first take out the LCM for this, prime factorization of 8. You will get, you can write down this as 8 into c into c. Similarly 24c, you can write down this as 8 into 3. In both the terms you have to find out the common. So, and what is left? 8 3s are 24, and into c. So from here if you see what is common here, you will get common term as 8 and c. Okay, so what will be the answer? 8c you can take out the common factor from both the terms. So here 8c is common. So what is left? If you have taken out 8c from here, so what is left? C. Okay, now subtraction sign is there, so here it will be subtraction. Now what is left? 3. So 8 3s are 24. So what is the answer? 8c, c minus 3 is the answer. You can check it also, because when you multiply 8c into c, you will get 8c square, that is this, minus, and 8 3s are 24, and 1 c is there, so 24c. So in this way you can check your answers also. Now the next question here is, so let's take 5m square, 5m square minus 6m here. So first write down the factor for 5m square. You will get 5m square. It can be written as 5 into m into m, and from here what you can write? 6m. So factor for 6 will be 6 into m. So from here what is common here? So you can see you will get m common from here. So common factor what is here? M. So take out m as common. What is remaining here? 5m minus 5, and 5m is written, yes, and this minus sign, and what is remaining here? 6. Okay, so the answer will be m into 5m minus 6. As you can see, if you multiply this m inside, you will get 5m square minus 6m. So this is the correct answer. Now on the fifth question, let's take one example of 24. We'll write 24d plus 32d square. 24d plus 32d square, or cube is there. Okay, so from here you will get you have to take out both the terms common from here. Okay, so if you don't know, you can write down the factors for this. So 24D, what will be the factor or prime factorization for this? You will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and what is left? D into D. Okay, now in 32, D square, D cube can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and D's cube can be written as D into D into D. So from here you can see this 3 and this 3, this will make a pair. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So from here I will get 8, and here also 8. So what is and what can be common? This 1D can be common. So 8D will be common from both. So what is left? 3 and 2 to 4, 4D square. Okay. So from here what you can write down? 8D as common term you can take out from here. So what is left here? 8 1 is 2 16, 8 3s are 24. So here see, here 3 will be left, plus what is left? 2 2s are 4. And with this, what is left? 2D square, means 2 D's are there. So this you can write down as D square. So now multiply, you will get 8 3s are 24, D means this, plus 8 4s are 32, D square. So this is the correct answer. Okay, let's take some more examples of this question. Now let's take another example. I am writing here as 28, 13th one. Let's take here 13th question. It is 28 c square d square minus 21 c square d. Okay, so from here also, what you can take common from here, you can take, first write down the factors for 28 c square d square. So 28 c square d square, factors you can write down, it will be 2 into 2 into 7 into c into c into d into d. Again for 21 c square d, for this you will write down the factors as 2 into 7 into c into c into d into d. Okay, now take out the common factors from both the terms. So what is the common? You will get 2, sorry, this can be written as 3 into 7. So from here, this is 2 and this is 3. 7 3s are 21 now. So you cannot take out common from here because this is 2 and this is 3. So the common term will be, this 7 can be common, this 2c and this 2c, this will be common, means c square, and from here d will be common. So what are the common factors? 7 c square and d. D into d is okay, d, you will get 7 square, 7 c square, d will be common. So this 7 c square d, if you will take out common, what is left? 2 into, this 2 into 2 is 4 and d. So what is left? 4d. Sorry. Now minus sign is there, so minus you will take out from here. Now what is left here? 3 and 1, 3, only 3, no d, no d, so is there. So 3. So now let's check if you are getting the correct answer or not. So 7 4s are 28 c square, and d into d is d square, minus 7 3s are 21 c square d. So this is the correct answer. Okay, now let's take one more example. Let me take, I will write, let's take the 16th question here. Here you will get 12 a cube minus 15a square minus 7a. So what is the next step here? You will take out the factors for each. So 12a cube, it can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into a into a into a. Again 15, a square can be written as 5 into 3 into 1. Oh sorry, let it be a into a. So 5 3 is 15 and 2a are there. So we will write down this. 7a can be written as